So normally we are traveling from that route also. No?
Where are you going?
No, I am going here and there because it's my job.
What is your job?
I'm as a driver.
Driver.
Yeah.
A company or on.
Yeah, it is private sector and one Canadian firm. Sorry, American firm.
American firm. So, Candy Road, no? You are going. You did.
Yeah, normally your road also sometimes we are using. We are going. Normally we are traveling within 25 districts in Sri Lanka. We have several projects to visit all over the places.
All over the country.
Yeah.
I am in home.
You as a housewife? Or?
Yeah, housewife. At that time I worked, but now I am a housewife.
All right. That's when you have kids?
Yes.
Yeah, still studying or employing?
No. She has married.
They are married.
Yeah.
That's when you have a daughter?
I have one daughter.
One daughter, all right. Is she already married?
Yeah, she has married. She has 2 children.
Now you are real Archie, no?
Yes, Archie. Not the one. They talk Lokwama.
Lokwama. Right. Your husband?
I am dressmaker. Now I am dressmaker.
Good. That's a good job.
Yeah.
You can earn a lot.
Little, but.
You are making only ladies' dresses?
Yeah, ladies' school uniform.
Okay.
1 to 5 years, grade 5,
right.
School uniform. My boys. Sari jacket.
Right. Now, these days, sari jacket is very expensive.
Yeah. Our neighbors.
Normally I have experience because my wife is using now.
She's a dressmaker.
No. She's an employee. She's working with a Canadian firm. It's also an NGO. And now I'm proud to say now my daughter also wearing jackets.
Daughter is working.
Yeah, is 16 years old.
16 years old.
What your husband?
She's in the army.
Right. That's what you are giving that's it. He's from Singh Regiment.
Yeah.
Okay. Still working?
Yeah, working. So you are home?
No, I'm from Casbah. I'm settled down in Casbah, but my native place Kandy.
Kandy.
Yeah. My wife also from Kandy. Actually, we are from Kandy, but now we are settled down in Colombo because of our jobs.
Job.
We don't have any transfer or something because only one office based in Colombo.
Daughter, she's.
Daughter now already finished all level exam. And now she's doing a foundation course.
Foundation course.
Yeah.
Only one daughter.
Only one daughter, yes.